Hello and welcome to another episode of Manitowoc Garage. This episode will be an overview of the display differences between version 1 and version 2 software used on GMK CCS cranes. Remember to always refer to the crane's operation manual before operating any crane. We'll look at the differences when it comes to crane setup, and we'll also look at how the operating info is displayed differently. Let's take a look at the crane setup differences. We'll start with the displays using version 1 software. Crane setup is entirely performed via the upper RCL display. We have counterweight selection, selections for main boom, boom extensions, and any boom extension options. Hoist selection and reeving for the main and auxiliary hoist. Selection of the slewing range. Outrigger spread selection, and we have the option to set up the crane by the RCL rigging code. Selecting the confirmation checkmark confirms the crane setup selections. Selecting the crane icon below the checkmark displays the confirmed crane setup on the upper RCL display during crane operation. Now we'll look at setup on cranes using version 2 software. Crane setup is performed entirely via the lower operator's display. Selection of slewing range to now include the max space option if equipped. Outrigger spread selection, counterweight selection, selection of main boom or boom extension to include boom extension options. Optional setup by RCL rigging code. Hoist selection and reeving for the main and auxiliary hoist. And boom configurator mode. Please see Manitowoc Garage video GMK CCS boom configurator tool for further explanation of this feature. Selecting the confirmation checkmark confirms the crane setup selections and then displays the confirmed crane setup info on the upper RCL display. Next, we'll look at how operating information is displayed differently. Warning and error icons. Current slewing angle. Current outrigger pressures, outrigger length, and crane level indicator. Wind speed, current RCL operating code, hoist selection and reeving values. Load capacity, current load, load utilization percentage, and the current operating radius. Current status of the working range limiters, active or not active. Crane info such as battery voltage, fuel level, and engine RPM. And new with version 2 software is the display of current crane function speeds, current boom telescope position status, and current slewing working range. Thanks for tuning in to another episode of Manitowoc Garage. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button for future videos.